Hello everyone! I just finished building this new clip-on seat for a Voy scooter. When I took it out for a test ride, I ran into a group of kids who all wanted to try it. They thought it was awesome, but then Tobias showed up. You might remember Tobias from my last video. A few minutes later, he sent his Kukirin G2 down this staircase. After seeing that, I started wondering, can a rental scooter do the same with my new seat? Stick around, because later in this video, we're going to find out. But first, let's build this new clip-on seat for a Voy scooter. Here's a quick tip. Don't start with steel right away. First, make a simple prototype out of wood. That way, you can test the angles and make adjustments before building the final version in steel. It will save you a lot of time. Okay, this is the final result of the clip-on seat. It's very comfortable to ride, and as you can see, it's even possible to do a power slide. The best part is that you can carry the seat in your backpack and attach it to the scooter whenever you need it. The kids wanted to try doing a wheelie, but I don't think the Voy electric scooter is powerful enough. If you've ever managed to do a wheelie or a manual on a Voy scooter, let me know in the comments below. Now there's only one thing left to do. Earlier today, I watched Tobias send his Kukirin G2 down this staircase. That got me wondering, can a rental scooter handle this staircase with my new seat? Let's find out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more crazy DIY scooter projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.